We're back again. Nice to have you back. Keep on coming. As we've got this thing finally, it's only taken us half a day of playing. After we had everything else, we spent 2 days getting everything else sorted out, all the other welding. Frank was welding while I was sorting out what I could do, and I was piece by piece by piece getting stuff in that corner, so that's right. Getting it all sorted out. We finally got it cut. Finally moved it down. Scary. It scared us a couple of times already. But we've got it ready, so now all we have to do is lift up this end slightly and push it under. So she's almost exactly where she wants to be. And it goes on top of that post, just there. We're just going to lift it up 10 mil to get on top. And that post is actually 10 mil short, so we can jack it up. But we just need to get the steel in first. So we've got the jack there and the jack here, which are pushing up the whole floor and the roof. Pushing that up because I triple gripped the floor joists. So the floor is actually holding and supporting the outside wall. So it's holding it all up. It's the only way I can get it to do that. And now we've just got to put that beam into place, and all the scary stuff is over. All right. Okay. We'll go do that. Thanks for joining us. And I'm going to show you that piece that we dropped before. We're taking those two posts out. And there's that piece, 1500 long, that weighs 150 kilo, that piece. The 380C channel is 100 meters a kilo. Oh, sorry, 100 kilos a meter. All right, and there we have that. And I'll trim that. So this piece here, the 380 fits underneath that check. So it holds that up, or puts pressure on that and holds the floor up at the right height. Okay, then we've got another post that we're going to go in between this steel and that steel to hold it all up properly. Okay, Frank and I are going to put this thing into place. We'll take another video in a little while. Thanks guys, talk soon, bye.